If you like videos like this, give me a like and a comment and subscribe to my channel for the next one. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make multigrain bread with 6 ingredients in your bread maker. Okay, so I have the Hamilton Beach bread maker, but you can use them in any bread maker. So the 6 ingredients are multigrain flour, maple syrup, olive oil, salt, water, and yeast. And the water is the hottest room temperature water I can get, and the yeast is the quick rise yeast, instant yeast. Okay, so you're gonna want to use this in the order that your bread maker says to put in the ingredients. But for my bread maker, I put in all the liquid ingredients first, then I put in the powder or the dry ingredients, and I put the yeast in last. And I'm gonna put it on the settings for multigrain, which is setting 11 on my bread maker, and then it's the 1.5 pound bread. Okay, so first we're going to put in the ingredients. So put in the water, then the olive oil and maple syrup, and then the dry ingredients, salt, flour, and then the yeast. So those are my liquid ingredients. So for the flour, you'll want to make sure that the cup of flour is leveled off. So you just want to use a knife across the top of the cup just to make sure it's an actual 1 cup of flour, not more, not less. Okay. Hi guys, so my ingredients are in the bread maker. I've put the tray back in. And I'm just gonna put it on the whole grain setting, which is number 11 on my bread maker. Oops, I passed it. Yes, and this is a 1.5 pound loaf. So it's going to take about 2 hours and 55 minutes. So we'll come back and see how it comes out. Just going to press start here. Just make quite a bit of noise, but I'm never in this room, and it shakes the table quite a bit too. So the time is up now, and we're going to check it out. So the lighting is a little bit off, you can't really see it, but it smells good. I'm gonna just take it out and show you how it looks. Okay, so I'm just gonna let the bread cool for about an hour or so, and then I'm gonna slice it and show you guys how it looks. Guys, so this is the bread all finished. It's all nice, and you see it's very soft and flexible. So that's the bread, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you try this recipe, just give me a comment below. And I'll see you in the next video.